So we are discussing about the recognition of physiotherapy in Pakistan. The third point is public awareness. All the years, awareness about physiotherapy has increased through hospital services, social media, educational institutions, public health campaigns. Today, physiotherapy is understood as movement-based healing, a key part of recovery and prevention. Next topic is education in physiotherapy. Academic progression. What we can see in academic progression. Initially, physiotherapy education in Pakistan began as a diploma program, 2 years. Later, it was upgraded to Bachelor of Science in Physiotherapy, BSPT, and now to Doctor of Physiotherapy, DPT, a 5-year professional degree equivalent to other medical sciences. Next, current degree structure. You can see here the level of study and the duration and their description. You can read it. Next is leading institutions offering DPT. These are the leading institutions that offers DPT. In Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, Jamshedpur, these are all the cities in Pakistan. Next, curriculum and training. The DPT curriculum in Pakistan includes basic medical sciences, anatomy, physiology, biomechanics, core physiotherapy subjects, exercise therapy, electrotherapy, manual therapy, neurology, orthopedics, cardiology, pediatrics, geriatrics, women health, clinical internships in hospitals for hands-on experience. Students also learn medical ethics, patient communication, and research methodology, preparing them for evidence-based practice. Now, registration and licensing. Registration requirement. After completing the DPT degree, physiotherapists must register with a professional body to practice legally and ethically. Next is main regulatory and professional bodies. You can see here. These are the main regulatory and professional bodies. Organization PPTA, Pakistan Physical Therapy Association. Role, you can see here. NCP, National Council of Physiotherapy in progress. In future, we can make this Provisional Healthcare Commissions, PHC, Higher Education Commission. You can read this table as well. Process of registration, obtain your DPT degree from a recognized university. Apply for registration or membership with PPTA or local authorities. Receive your registration or membership ID, allowing you to practice professionally. Maintain continuing education through workshops, webinars, and short courses. Now, global recognition of Pakistani physiotherapists. Pakistani DPT graduates are now working successfully in the UK, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Canada, and Australia. Many pursue licensing exams such as HAT, DHA, MOH is for UAE, HCPC is for UK, and PT is for USA. With growing awareness, Pakistani physiotherapy graduates are increasingly recognized for their clinical and academic skills. Now, challenges and future directions. Challenges, what are the challenges? Lack of a centralized national licensing body, limited job opportunities in the public sector, a big challenge. Inconsistent salary structures, another challenge. Need for greater awareness and research culture. Future vision, establishment of a national physiotherapy council. This is the future vision that we have to work on NPC, National Physical Therapy Council. Expansion of postgraduate research and specialization programs, another future view. More female-only clinics and initiatives like your PMC is a great initiative for only female physiotherapists. Integration of digital physiotherapy and tele-rehabilitation. Now, our next topic is global overview of physiotherapy, leading physiotherapy councils and associations, WCPT, APTA, CSP, etc. Now, introduction. Physiotherapy is now a recognized, respected, and essential profession worldwide. It plays a major role in improving health, function, and quality of life across all countries. Globally, physiotherapists work in hospitals, clinics, research centers, and community programs, guided by professional councils and associations that set standards for education, ethics, and clinical practice. These organizations ensure that physiotherapy remains safe, effective, and evidence-based while promoting the growth and recognition of the profession. Next, what are physiotherapy councils and associations? Physiotherapy councils and associations are official professional bodies that regulate physiotherapy practice, approve and accredit physiotherapy education programs, set codes of ethics and clinical standards, represent physiotherapists nationally and internationally, promote research, awareness, and physiotherapy professional development. In short, they protect the public and strengthen the profession. Major international councils and associations. Let's look at some of the most important global organizations that guide and represent physiotherapists around the world. World Physiotherapy, formerly WCPT, established in 1951. Headquarters are in London, UK. Overview of WCPT's World Physiotherapy is the global voice for the physiotherapy profession. It represents 125 plus member organizations from different countries, including Pakistan's PPTA. Its mission is to advance physiotherapy practice, education, and research worldwide. Functions. What are the functions of WCPT? Develops global standards for physiotherapy education and ethics. Organizes the World Physiotherapy Congress every 2 years, the largest global event for physiotherapists. Promotes collaboration between physiotherapists across countries. Encourages evidence-based practice and continuing education. What is the importance of WCPT? World Physiotherapy helps ensure that physiotherapists around the world work under similar professional values, improving the quality and consistency of care globally. Now, APTA, American Physical Therapy Association, established in 1921, headquarters are in Alexandria, Virginia, USA. Overview is APTA represents physical therapists, assistants, and students in the United States. It sets high standards for physiotherapy education and practice in America. What are the functions of APTA? Accredits physiotherapy programs through the Commission on Accreditation in Physical Therapy Education, CAPTE. Offers specializations such as orthopedics, neurology, sports, pediatrics, and geriatrics. Provides continuing education, research grants, and online learning platforms. Publishes the Physical Therapy Journal, one of the world's leading research journals. And what is the importance of APTA? APTA has played a key role in advancing scientific research and professional recognition of physiotherapy across the USA. influencing global practice models. Next is CSP, Chartered Society of Physiotherapy, United Kingdom. Established in 1894, headquarters are in London, UK. Overview is the CSP is one of the oldest and most prestigious physiotherapy associations in the world. It represents physiotherapists, students, and support workers in the UK. Functions of CSP provides registration and professional support for physiotherapists in the UK, works closely with the Healthcare Professions Council HCPC on licensing, promotes professional ethics, standards, and continuing education, advocates for physiotherapists' rights, and supports research and publications. Importance of CSP. CSP has greatly influenced physiotherapy education and policy worldwide. Its standards are followed by many countries when developing their own physiotherapy systems. Okay. Next is APA, Australian Physiotherapy Association. Established in 1906, headquarters are in Melbourne, Australia. Overview of APA is represents 30,000 plus physiotherapists in Australia, works under national laws to promote high quality patient care and professional excellence. Functions of APA provides training programs, conferences, and special interest groups, sports, neuro, women health, etc. Supports research and evidence-based practice through partnerships with universities, ensure public safety and ethical conduct among physiotherapists. Importance of APA. The APA is known for promoting innovation, especially in sports physiotherapy and advanced manual therapy techniques. Now CPA, Canadian Physiotherapy Association. Established in 1920, headquarters are in Ottawa, Canada. Overview represents physiotherapists and students across Canada. Works for advanced physiotherapy as a vital part of Canada's healthcare system. Functions promotes patient-centered care and supports education and research. Provides licensing guidance through the Canadian Alliance of Physiotherapy Regulators CAPR. Offers specialized divisions such as orthopedics, neuroscience, and women's health. Importance of CPA. CPA's structure and training models have influenced physiotherapy education in many developing countries, including Pakistan. Next is global unity through these organizations. All these associations are conducted through World Physiotherapy, which serves as the umbrella body. They share ethical standards, educational frameworks, research collaborations, exchange program, and scholarship. The global network allows physiotherapists to work internationally, continue education, and ensure consistent quality of care worldwide. Next, benefits, key international licensing bodies. You can see the table here. Country, licensing authority, and function. Now, benefits of global councils for physiotherapists. Professional recognition worldwide, access to international workshops and research, easier job and study opportunities abroad, exchange programs and global networking, uniform ethical and practice standards. Next topic is physiotherapy in Pakistan versus international practice. a broader comparative overview. That's interesting. Now, the introduction. Physiotherapy is a universal healthcare profession practiced all over the world with the same purpose to restore movement, reduce pain, and improve quality of life. However, the level of development, recognition, technology, and opportunities differ greatly between countries. Let's explore. Let's explore how physiotherapy in Pakistan compares with international practice in terms of education, facilities, scope, ethics, and career growth. So move on to physiotherapy in Pakistan current situation. Physiotherapy in Pakistan is growing rapidly but still developing compared to Western countries. Education. The Doctor of Physiotherapy DPT is a 5-year degree offered by many universities. The curriculum includes clinical subjects and internships, but research and specializations are still limited. Postgraduate options, MS, MPhil, PhD, exist in a few universities. Practice and recognition. Physiotherapists work in hospitals, clinics, rehabilitation centers, and NGOs. The profession is recognized but lacks a national regulatory council. Physiotherapists can evaluate and treat patients independently, but in some setups they work under physicians. Next, career and salaries. Growing opportunities in the private sector, especially female-only clinics like PMC. Government job opportunities exist but are limited. Average monthly salary is 60,000 to 150,000, depending on experience and setup. Technology and research. Use of modern tools, ultrasound, TANs, laser, etc., but digital rehabilitation and AI-assisted tools are still emerging. Research publications and physiotherapy journals are growing but not yet globally recognized. Ethical and professional standards. Physiotherapists follow PPTA and HC Healthcare Commission guidelines. Need for a national council to regulate practice and ensure standardization. Next, physiotherapy in internationally advanced and evolving. In developed countries, UK, USA, Canada, Australia, UAE, etc., physiotherapy is a well-established, fully autonomous profession. Education in internationally. Physiotherapy degree range from bachelor's to doctorate, DPT, PhD. Strong emphasis on research, evidence-based practice, and clinical reasoning. Students undergo standard exams and licensing. For example, NPT, HCPC, HAAT. Practice and independence. Physiotherapists have independent clinical authority. They can assess, diagnose, and treat without a doctor's referral. They are primary healthcare providers in many countries. Laws extend to research, academic, sports, medicine, and policy development. Career and salary. Vast opportunities in hospitals, private clinics, research centers, universities, and sports terms, as well as sports teams. Salaries are high and vary by country. USA salary is $70,000 to $90,000 per year. UK £35,000 to £50,000 per year. UAE 8,000 to 15,000 AED per month. Australia 70,000 to 90,000 Australian dollar per year. Technology and research. Use of advanced technologies such as robotics and exoskeletal assisted therapy. AI-based posture and gait analysis, virtual reality VR for neurological rehab, telephysiotherapy and online patient monitoring as well. Physiotherapy journals, conferences, and global research are highly active. Ethical standards, strict licensing and registration with professional councils, for example, APTA, HCPC, APA, strong enforcement of patient confidentiality, consent, and documentation. Continuous professional development, CPD, is mandatory. Okay. Comparative table, Pakistan versus international practice. You can see this comparative table aspect, Pakistan and international practice. What are the difference between? How Pakistani physiotherapists can reach global standards. Continuous learning, attend international webinars, online courses and workshops, engage research and publish in growth journals. Licensing and exams, prepare for international licensing exams, HARD, DHA, MOH, NPTE, HCPC. Keep your DPT degree verified and recognized. Skill development, learn advanced therapy techniques, manual therapy, dry needling, kinesiotaping. Use digital tools for assessment and tele-rehab. Ethical practice, maintain professional conduct, patient confidentiality, and evidence-based decision making. Networking and collaboration, join international associations like World Physiotherapy or APTA. Collaborate with professionals abroad to knowledge exchange. Collaborate with professionals abroad for knowledge exchange. This is all about today. Now you can go through the summary, what you have learned today in day 1 of this short course. Definition, philosophy, principles of physiotherapy, then period and key development, ancient times, and what are the developments of the ancient times, 13th century, 20th century, Pakistan, 1950s to now, 21st century, what are the key developments you can see here. Team type, role of physiotherapy, main functions, collaboration, outcomes, category and key points. You can see the summary here. Now, the main interactive segment. Why I choose physiotherapy? Short sharing session from participants. You all are supposed to give response regarding your future goals, your aim, your motive, why you choose physiotherapy, why you think you want to be a physiotherapy, or anyone encourages you, your family, your parents, your friends, or it's your own choice, your own aim, your own goal. What is the thing you think to be a physiotherapy and you get admission in physiotherapy field and want to be a physiotherapist? What are your views about that? This is a short informative session. Will encourages students and improve their knowledge regarding physiotherapy field. Do share your responses in the comment section along with your name and email address. This will be the form of your attendance recording. Okay, attendance will be recorded through the comment section. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section as well. This is all about today. Thank you.